Okay, this is it. Hello, Texas. It's so great to look around and see your smiling faces.
The opportunity to launch ARPANET-H today is incredibly exciting.
This is a national hub-and-spoke ecosystem that spans all 50 states and over 1,000 stakeholders. How do you glue all those pieces together in order to make it more than the sum of its parts?
While the ARPA-H Customer Experience Hub is anchored here at Pegasus Park in Dallas, we did have to have people be able to sit somewhere so they could share ideas and exchange information. But really those ideas and that information are being drawn from all across the country, and those programs and those dollars deployed are going to be deployed back to all of those regional areas across the entire country.
Healthcare access and affordability is a national crisis. Getting to some of those rural populations, underserved populations, underrepresented populations in terms of both access as well as clinical trial inclusion is something that we have to solve at a national level. But you've got to dig down into the local communities to really be able to be successful in expanding that reach and access.
I think the challenge for us with ARPANET-H is how do we understand individuals not only in the recruitment process and what the best fit is for them to participate in these innovations, but how do we support them so they're successful, we're successful, we can advance innovation and then bring that at scale.
I was trained as a physician in Austria. I did house calls with my dad in the city of Vienna. What does that mean, house calls? It means that healthcare comes to you, a concept that's gotten lost over the years. The goal and the idea here is, can we bring healthcare back to the patients, where it has an impact and where people have an ability to take advantage of these solutions?
Nothing exists like this out there. I love that the federal government has placed an investment out there that's going to be the connector between private capital, between industry, between academia and researchers. It allows everybody in the ecosystem to really see what is happening to the patient, to get that experience, to feed it back in and re-inform all of those stakeholders.
ARPA-H programs will generate new health solutions, which might be therapeutics, diagnostic tools, surgical interventions. The Customer Experience Hub is an ecosystem of experts in all of these areas who can test and evaluate these solutions. It's a way of providing guidance to improve programs mid-execution.
I think ARPA-H is unique in that it pulls from both academics, but also from communities, as well as the venture capital world, industry, government, all working together to try to think about how do we transform this science from discovery out to practice.
I'm personally excited about ARPA-H because I don't know how you can't be. To have a mission that is to have better outcomes for all Americans, I don't know how you don't raise your hand and say, can I be a part of that, and feel privileged to be a part of it, no matter how small or big that part is.
ARPA-H and this hub and spoke network have the ability to truly transform what we're doing at a national as well as local healthcare level. I think what happens next is going to be exciting, it's going to be visionary, it's going to be explosive, it will move fast, but it will truly make a difference in terms of the health of the American people.